Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. How are you?
I'm good, Alex. What's the word we're learning today?
Today we're learning,
Auto,
which means car in English.
Oh, interesting. I know that word. Is it just a simple car, or does it have other meanings?
Great question.
Auto,
Primarily means car, but it can also refer to
einem Automobil,
in a more general sense. Just be careful, because it can sometimes confuse learners with similar words like,
automatisch,
which means automatic.
Got it. What about the grammar rules for
Auto,
Auto,
Is a neuter noun, so it uses the article.
das,
The plural form is.
Autos,
You can say,
das Auto,
for the singular and,
die Autos,
for the plural.
Okay, so how would I use it in a sentence?
You can say,
das Auto ist neu,
which means the car is new. In the past tense, you would say,
das Auto war neu,
meaning the car was new. And in perfect, you can say,
das Auto ist neu gewesen,
which means the car has been new.
That's helpful. What are some examples of using it in the imperative?
You can say,
fahr das Auto,
which means drive the car.
Where does the word
Auto,
come from?
The word
Auto,
comes from the Greek word,
Autos,
which means self. It evolved through the French word,
Automobile,
which literally means self-moving.
That's really fascinating. I didn't know that.
Yes, and it shows how language evolves over time. It's interesting to see the connections across languages.
Can we break down?
Auto,
Like Lego pieces.
Sure. The root
Auto,
means self, and it doesn't really have a prefix or suffix in this case. It's a standalone word, and that's why it's easy to remember.
So there isn't a compound or anything to analyze.
Exactly. It's simple, but very useful in everyday conversation.
What are some similar words to
Auto,
There are many. For example, you have,
Automobil,
which also means automobile, and it follows the same prefix root concept. Then there's,
autonom,
meaning autonomous.
Are there others?
Yes. You can also consider,
automatisch,
meaning automatic,
Autobahn,
meaning highway, and,
Autokauf,
which refers to car purchase.
That's a lot of words.
It is. And they all connect back to that idea of self or cars.
Can you give me some situations where I'd use
Auto,
Definitely. First, at a car rental place, you might say,
Ich möchte ein Auto mieten.
meaning I would like to rent a car.
ich möchte ein Auto mieten.
Okay, what's another situation?
If you're talking to a friend about your car, you could say,
Mein Auto ist schnell.
meaning my car is fast.
Mein Auto ist schnell.
Got it.
Lastly, if you're at a mechanic, you can say,
Das Auto hat ein Problem.
which means the car has a problem.
Das Auto hat ein Problem.
This is useful. How do I remember that?
Auto,
Is neuter.
A good hint is that most nouns ending in are neuter. You can picture a small car with a big DOS sign on it to help you remember.
That's a fun image.
Also, keep in mind that
Auto,
is informal. You might hear formal expressions like,
Fahrzeug.
which means vehicle. Common phrases would include,
Das Auto fahren.
meaning to drive the car, and
Das Auto verkaufen.
meaning to sell the car.
Are there any words that are commonly confused with
Auto,
Yes. Sometimes learners confuse
Auto,
with,
Bahn.
which means train. They both refer to different modes of transport.
Can you give me more example sentences with
Auto,
Sure. Here's one.
Ich habe ein neues Auto gekauft.
Meaning I bought a new car. Another one is,
Das Auto ist grün.
which means the car is green.
I like those examples.
And one more.
Welches Auto gefällt dir am besten?
Which means which car do you like the best?
That's a good question to ask.
Now let's do a quick recall check. What gender is?
Auto,
It's neuter, right?
Correct. What's the plural form?
Autos.
Good job. How do you say I drive the car in German?
Ich fahre das Auto.
Exactly. What does
das Auto hat ein Problem.
mean?
The car has a problem.
Perfect. And finally, where does the word
Auto,
come from?
From the Greek word
Autos.
Great work today, Sam. Remember, the key takeaway is that
Auto,
means car and is a neuter noun.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Auto.
today.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next lesson.